Yo, I'm Ryan. I've been hacking things my whole life. So I'm really excited. I got a Super 73Z and I got this schmo over there assembling it because I'm starting to get a little bit more busier. I got more busy. I got 500 subs. Thank you so much because you guys are the ones that are making the difference. I'm going to start working on getting people some scholarships for design camp in 2019, so that is fantastic. Today's video is going to be about making I'm not going to make it, but I'm going to set it up. Obviously, I got him assembling the bike over there, the Z1. So I'm going to talk about the headlamp, but I'm also going to take a really cool ride video, so make sure you stick out for that. It'll be about halfway through if you want to scrub through the video. You can see me ride the Z1. So the Z1 was purchased because I was really interested in this bike, which was a Honda Ruckus. I love the way that it looked sort of hacked, and it was, I don't know, just kind of looked handmade or something like that. But it was white, and I love the headlamp, so I'm going to make the headlamp. If I got to buy the headlamp, that's fine. If you know a way I can power a round headlamp on a Super 73 Z1 with a small battery or a small footprint, please comment below. And thanks a lot for all of your comments. I've really enjoyed talking to you guys. I can't believe how many friends, well, online friends I've made through YouTube. So please comment. I do respond to almost every comment relatively quickly. I'm pretty OCD about that. So if you want to collaborate or just talk about something or just want to know whether or not you should buy a Super 73, just comment below. But mainly, if you have an idea on how to power a headlamp for this particular bike. So he's doing a pretty good job. He lost the pedals, so he's looking for the pedals, so I'm going to help him out with that. But I'm not going to help him out. And by the way, I'm going to ride this bike. He's not riding it. He's not riding it at all. Okay, so build quality on this Super 73 Z1 is amazing. It's really solid. The paint, the white enamel finish is really, really killer. I'm really proud to have this second bike, which I'm going to use for a family member. Also, the big shocker was it was a little bit smaller than I thought. I knew it was going to be smaller than the S1, but it's actually smaller than I thought. So, but it feels really good because I'm not the tallest dude in the world, so it feels really good riding it. You can see here this dude's trying to do a few things on it. But I am really impressed with the quality. I like the difference in the neck, the handlebar neck, if that's what you'd call it. I like that. I like the fact that they kept the Super 73 emblems throughout the design, like in the back, where the, what is it called, the dropout or something like that? I think it's called the dropout. So I really love the fact that they included these things in their inexpensive bike. I'm charging it. It worked right off the bat. The throttle worked fine. I received this bike in January of 2019 and the throttle is working, among everything else. So I'm looking forward to having a really good test. Now this particular bike, I think because of regulations, tops out at 20 miles an hour, where the S1 could probably go around 22, 23. Not downhill. Downhill it goes a lot faster because obviously gravity is right there working with you. So, all right, so he's doing a pretty good job. If you could hurry it up, that'd be great. You know, okay. So listen, okay, I'm about to take the ride. He's not gonna ride. I've showed you the build quality. I'm impressed with it. I'd like it. I'd buy it again. I did get the bonus of the fact that they upgraded the motor from a 350 watt to a 500 watt. So it's actually just as fast as my S1. So that's really cool. So let's take it for a ride. I got to get rid of him, and then I'm going to bust out the door using that selfie GoPro mount that I made, or the selfie stick mount that I made in a previous video. I mount that right underneath the forks. All right, let's go have some fun. It's sunny in Raleigh, North Carolina, and it's sunny, and it's been rainy and cold, Arctic blast all over the country. So let's go take a ride. I don't know where I'm going to ride, maybe somewhere cool. There's a forest nearby.
Maybe
didn't charge it enough. I literally got it out of the box, and it didn't charge. So now I'm having to figure this out. I'm having to pedal all the way home. So I think I should have charged it up a little. So I'm pedaling my Super73 home using the mic. Turns out I should have let that other dude ride it. Gotta get a workout. Funny thing, this one never ran out of battery.
Hey little voodoo child, you got me running wild. You make me feel alive. Oh, the devil in my dreams dancing in front of me. Maybe wanna believe. Oh, I feel your heart and soul perfectly in control. Put up and count in your spare now. So lay it on me, child. You know you got me wild. You got me feeling like. Oh, she make me feel alive. Make me feel alive. She make me feel alright. She makes me. She make me feel alive. Make me feel alive.